The Hawaii Academy of Recording Arts honored 6 Hawaiian music legends today with the Hōku Hanohano Lifetime Achievement Awards. They include brothers Sam and Gary Aikō, Iwalani Kahalewai, Cyril Pahinui, Ben Wood, and the late Israel Kamakawiwo'ole. Ben Gutierrez brings us the details.
The Aikō brothers are the sons of legendary singer Auntie Genoa Keawe. Here's video of them together with Sam singing lead. Sam Āiko passed away in 1992, but his widow returned to the islands to accept the award.
He was kind of shy and never really wanted to be the star, and I just think that this is a great tribute to him. He had such a beautiful voice, really beautiful.
Gary Aikō still plays with the Keawe Ohana and sings with the Royal Hawaiian Band.
I'm shocked that they even considered me, but I'm glad they did, you know. I'm very grateful that they did. Yeah. But I think I was in that category.
Also honored, singer, guitarist, composer, and teacher Cyril Pahinui. He thought back to his father, the late slack key master Gary Pahinui.
I remember when I accepted my dad's Lifetime Achievement Award, and now it's my turn. It's, you know, it's a full circle for me, for my dad, you know, because he's my master. That's, you know, my father opened the doors for me.
Another one of this year's honorees is Ben Wood, longtime Honolulu Star Bulletin and now Honolulu Star Advertiser columnist, who's covered the local entertainment scene since the Hawaiian Renaissance in the late 60s and early 70s.
Perhaps the greatest honor I've ever had, you know. All those years of writing about these wonderful entertainers, it was a labor of love, and I was there.
The late Iwalani Kahalewai, a Hawaiian soprano and regular cast member of the Hawai'i Calls radio show, was also recognized.
We were walking hand in hand.
And a Lifetime Achievement Award was granted to the late Israel Kamakawiwo'ole, whose songs are still heard in the islands and worldwide long after his passing in 1997. Ben Gutierrez, Hawaii News Now.